Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new Batwings Amber White LED fairing trim on this 2012 Ultra Classic. Custom Dynamics low-profile Amber White Batwing fairing trim adds forward and side visibility to your fairing, and they mount directly to the stock Harley-Davidson OEM fairings. It features 13 white DRL running lights and 12 amber LED turn signals with a 180-degree viewing angle. The white LEDs are automatically deactivated when the turn signal is active. They're backed by a lifetime LED warranty from Custom Dynamics with unmatched customer service and reliability. To get started, remove the Torx bolts from the outer fairing along with the windshield. Remove the two Torx bolts from the left and right side of the inner fairing. Pull the fairing away from the bike and disconnect the headlamp. Clean the lower left and right sides of the fairing with alcohol to remove any grease or wax. Apply the adhesive promoter to the final placement area on the lower left and right sides of the fairing and let it dry. Remove the red protective tape from the back of the Batwing fairing trim and apply it to both sides. Now connect the pass-through side of the AW converter harness to the factory turn signal wiring harness. To do this, plug in the pass-through portion of the AW converter harness to the turn signal wiring harness. Repeat this step for the other side. Secure the Batwing fairing trim harness wires to prevent them from being damaged during the installation. Reconnect the headlight, then connect the Batwing fairing trim harness to the pass-through harness. Ensure the harness from the Batwing fairing trim is routed behind the outer fairing. Now install the fairing and the windshield bolts. Check for proper operation of all the lights on the bike, and you're ready to enjoy your new Batwings fairing trim. Our low-profile Batwings fairing trim is a simple upgrade to your bike that will make a big difference for any rider. You can check out the entire family of products at CustomDynamics.com or by visiting your local Drag Specialties dealer.